How can I use screen mirroring on my Sharp Aquos TV?
Welcome to this tutorial on screen mirroring. Today we will discuss how to use screen mirroring on your Sharp Aquos TV. This guide will allow you to view content from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop on your TV with ease.
What is screen mirroring?
Screen mirroring is a way for you to view or stream content from your smartphone, tablet, or computer to your TV. This can include anything from photos and videos to games and presentations. It's a great way to share your media on a larger screen with family or friends.
Preparing your devices.
Before starting the process, make sure both your Sharp Aquos TV and your device, smartphone, tablet, or laptop, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your device, also ensure that the screen mirroring or casting feature is available and enabled. This is usually found in the Settings menu.
How to enable screen mirroring on Sharp Aquos TV.
1. Turn on your Sharp Aquos TV and press the Menu button on your remote control. 2. Scroll to and select Internet, using the arrow buttons on your remote. 3. In the Internet menu, scroll down and select Screen Mirroring. 4. Set the Screen Mirroring option to On. Your Sharp Aquos TV is now ready to connect to your device.
How to connect your device.
The process may vary slightly depending on the operating system of your device. But generally, you need to 1. Go to the screen mirroring settings on your device. This may be called Screen Mirroring, Smart View, Cast Screen, Wireless Display, or similar, depending on your device. 2. Select your Sharp Aquos TV from the list of available devices. You might see a pin on your TV screen. If so, enter this pin on your device. 3. Your device's screen should now be mirrored on your Sharp Aquos TV. Screen mirroring is a wonderful feature that allows you to make the most out of your devices. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to share your favorite content with everyone. Happy mirroring!